Now let's see what is line stack column chart and what is line and stack cluster chart. Simply click on line and stack column chart and resize it. On the x-axis, we can have the categorical values. On the y-axis, we will have the values. So on x-axis, I will simply drag the sales rate. And from here, I will remove all the values, just keep month. And on the y-axis, I will drag the sales amount. For now, line stack column chart is just like the stack column chart. But for the line stack column chart, we have one more parameter, the line y-axis. Here we can use to show the trends. So we can simply select the sales amount on the line y-axis. And this is how we can show the trend over the month for this chart. Not only the sales amount, we can drag other values also. For example, let's remove the sales amount. We can drag unit price also or the order quantity on the y-axis. So if I drag the order quantity on the y-axis, so this is how our line stack column chart would look like. This bar chart shows the sales amount and this line shows the order quantity for the over the period of time. So we can simply say that line stack column chart is a combination of the stack column chart as well as the line chart. We can see the sales on bar for the month and we can see this trend over of quantity. Now we can use the legends also. So simply if we drag the product category on the legend, we will go to the product category table. From there, we will drag the category on the column legend. And this is how our data will be divided on the basis of the product category for each bar over the period of time. So this is the line and stack column charts. That's why we have one bar and this bar has been divided into different products based upon the products we have. If we convert into the line and cluster column chart, then different cluster will be created for each product. Let's do that. Let's do it. So we can see that we still have two trends. This is showing the sales amount and this is showing the trend of order quantity. And now, and because we have, and because we are showing the product name on the legends, we have different cluster for each month over the period of time. And now if we change the slicer, value of the slicer, then the value over the trends will change accordingly for both the month as well as for both the sales amount as well as the order quantity. So this is the difference between the line and the stack column and line and cluster column chart.